Welcome students for tutorial number 2. So the first tutorial we covered the basics, how to declare variables and how to assign values and different types of values we studied, numbers, strings and list. In the numbers we studied integer type of values, floating point type of values, and we studied an operator called plus operator, how it is working with the integer float, and also we told that the plus operator will not work with the integer and string or float and string, and plus operator will work with the string if both operands are string. Like this, if both are string, plus operator will work like a concatenation operator. It will join the both words, computer plus science. It will join both computer science you will get. And also we told that space is also a character in string. So today we are going to study in detail operators. So I'm going to write a comment here, a heading here, operators. This is the heading. That's what I commented it. Okay, don't simply write without comment. Don't simply write something here because it will generate error. So always comment it. You can comment either through hash symbol or triple quotes opening and triple quotes closing. This is also a comment. You can use like this also. So I am commenting operators, and today we are discussing arithmetic operators first, and we all know which are the basic arithmetic operators in mathematics. So plus, multiplication, division and subtraction, all the four operators we will simply cover it very fast. So a equal to, say I assigned 40 and b equal to 20. So how to apply arithmetic operators here? Print a plus b, and you can use like this also. Instead of print a plus b, c equal to a plus b. Now I am going to print value of c. So a I assigned a value 20, for b assigned a value 20 and 40, and c equal to a plus b. So value of a 40, value of b 20 will add, and the result is stored in c. I repeatedly telling equal to symbol is the assignment operator. Left side is the variable, right side is the value. Here value is a plus b and c is the variable. So our result stored in variable c, and then I am printing variable c. So we will run this program. We will get the output 60 here. We will got the output 60 here. So that is plus operator. Now minus operator. Run the code. We got a 20, and multiplication operator is the asterisk symbol, shift 8, asterisk symbol or star symbol. This is the multiplication operator. We got the output 800, and division operator, and we got output 2.0. Now say I'm writing a as 20 and b as 3. Now when I apply this division operator, I got the output as 6.6667. So this is the floating point value, right? This is a floating 6.66 is a floating point value. So my output, when I apply this division operator, my output I am getting as floating point value. Actually 20 is integer value, 3 is integer value. My output is now floating point value. Now I can make this floating point value as an integer value using an operator called floor operator or integer operator. This is floor operator. I am typing here as a comment, floor or integer division. Floor division or integer division. I commented here floor division or integer division. Just double slash. You use double slash. Now I am going to run the code. I got the value as 6. I got the result as 6. So this double slash floor division or integer division means you will get only integer values. That decimal part is not there. It is avoided and only the integer part you got. That is called floor division or integer division. And another very important operator among arithmetic operators is modulus symbol. That is percentage symbol. Modulus. I'm going to write here modulus. Modulus symbol. So when you use this modulus symbol, what actually happens is A divided by B, and what is the remainder there? So I'm going to run the code. I got the output as 2. Actually, A divided by B, you should get a value 6.6, something like that. So once you divide A by B, what is the remainder value there? That remainder is called 2. I got the output as 2. So always remember, modulus operator gives you remainder. Modulus operator gives you a remainder value. Now next operator is exponent operator. Exponent. That is, I'm using double star, double asterisk symbol I used. Exponent symbol. What exponent symbol doing is A power B. This is what actually it is doing. So I am running the code. I got the output as 8,000. 8,000. What actually happened is A power B, 20 power 3. That is 20 into 20. We will get 400. 400 into 20. We will get 8,000. So that is the output A power B. So to A power B, we should use double asterisk symbol. That is also called exponent. And so that's it, the basic arithmetic operators. So we discussed A plus B, and we discussed D equal to A minus B, and we discussed A multiplication with B, and we discussed A divided by B, and we discussed A integer division, floor division with B, and we discussed A modulus B, and we discussed and A exponent or A power B. This was things we had discussed. I'm going to print all the values. So how to print all the results? So where is the result? C, D, E, F, G, H, I is my result. So C, comma, D, comma, E, F, G, H and I are my result. So you can print multiple values using print function separated with a comma. So this is possible. I'm going to run this code. I got output like this. So A plus B and A plus B, A minus B, A multiplication with B, A divided B, A integer divided B, A modulus B, A exponent B. All the output we got. Next important operator we are going to discuss is comparison operators in Python. Comparison operator. This is very, very important. Very, very important. If you are a first time program learner, you have to understand this comparison operator very well, because these things are the very basics of every programming language, not just for Python. For all the programming languages, these are the basic things. If you're not getting these basic things, you will feel the programming as a difficult task. Once you get these basics, programming will be very easy. So we are going to discuss comparison operators. So I given the heading as a comment, comparison operators. So the first comparison operator we are going to discuss is equal to symbol. The first comparison operator is equal to equal to. So as I already discussed, already told you what is equal to symbol. Equal to symbol is called as assignment operator. Why it is called as assignment operator? Because it assigns a value from right side to left side. It assigns a value. So now we are discussing equal to symbol. Equal to symbol is called as comparison operator, and it's a comparison operator. What happen is A equal to B. I'm going to print the output. Print A equal to B. So always remember, this equal to symbol is a comparison operator. It always gives output as either true or false. It always returns a value true or false. So I'm going to run this code. I got the answer as false because A is not equal to B. So equal to symbol is comparing A and B, and it is checking whether A and B is equal or not. In our case, A equal to 20 and B equal to 3. So A is not equal to B. So it returns either true or false. So our answer is false. Say example, if I am writing 20 here and run this code, you will get true. You will get answer true. So please understand the difference between equal to symbol and equal to symbol. Equal to symbol is assignment operator. You are assigning a value from right side to left side. Equal to symbol is not an assignment operator. It is a comparison operator. It always gives you true or false value. It always gives you true or false value. So in our case, this case it is true. If A and B is not equal, it will return false. So another operator is not equal to. Not equal to. See here, that is also a comparison operator. This is not symbol, negation symbol. Not equal to. So A not equal to B. See, in our case, here A and B both are equal. If A and B are both are equal, so we are checking A not equal to B. No, here our A equal to B. So here we will get a false value. See here, our output is false. Why it is false? Because A is equal to B. So if I am changing this value to 4, now I am checking, I will get true. Now I got the answer as true because A not equal to B. A and B are not equal. So that is also a comparison operator. It will gives you true or false values. Always remember, comparison operators gives you true or false value. Next comparison operator is greater than. A greater than B. Yes, as per our example, A is greater than B. So you will get an output again true. You will get an output true because A is greater than B. Now I'm checking A less than B. No, it is wrong. So you will get output false. You will get output as false because A is not less than B. Now you can even check A greater than or equal to B. That is also possible. Say example. Now in this case, say example, I am writing A less than or equal to B and I am changing B value as 20. You see here, A less than equal to B. See, we know A equal to 20, B equal to 20. So A is not less than equal to B. So it should return false. But I use the symbol here equal to. Less than or equal to. Both it will work. If it is less than A less than B also it will be true. Or A equal to B also it will return true. See, and I am executing this. I got the output as true. So same way you can apply A greater than B or equal to B. So you will get true. So these are the comparison operators. So remember which are the comparison operators we studied. The comparison operators we studied is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. All these are the comparison operators. All these comparison operators return true or false value. Always remember, it returns true or false value. So don't forget, this is very important concept in programming. Now another two types of special uh, operators are there in Python. It's a Python special operator. It is called a membership operator. We are going to discuss with the membership operator. Membership operator. I'm deleting all these things. Now say example, I have a list. So as we discussed in the first class, how to write a list. Any number of elements is a list. Say example, I have CSE. So I have a list L. My variable name is L. And right side I assigned a list. How to identify a list? With a square bracket, when values separated with a comma. Any number of values you can have in a list. So this is a list. Now I'm checking. I have a variable called a equal to 3. So the membership operators are two types of membership operators. One is in and another is not in. Both returns either true or false, same like comparison operators. So this membership operators also returns true or false values. So one operator is in and another operator is not space in. These are the operator name. Okay, now I'm going to apply this. A in L. I want to print the output, so I'm using print also. This is my output. I told you this membership operator also returns true or false values. It also returns true or false values. So here I am checking A in L. A is available in L or not. So A is 3. Okay. It is available in L? Yes, of course. A is available in L. So it returns a value true. See, my output is true. Now I am checking A not in L. It will return false because A is in L. A is available in L. A is 3. It is available in L. But if I am checking A not in L, it is false. I will get output as false. I am checking A equal to 5. So 5 not in L. Yes, of course, 5 not in L. That is right. You will get true. You will get true because 5 not in L. Correct. The statement is correct. So remember, membership operators are in and not in. That will also give you true or false values. Membership operators also will give you true or false values. Now I'm telling you something interesting thing. I'm changing this 3 as a string 3. I'm changing this 3 as a string 3. Now in my list the values are integer 1, string 3, integer 4, string CSE. Now A is a variable which is integer variable. A equal to 3, it is an integer variable. So I'm checking A in L. A in L. At a first look, you may feel that yes, A is in L because 3 is here, 3 is here. Yeah, A in L. A in L. It is correct. It will return true. But actually, when you execute this program, you will get a value false. Because here A is integer and here 3 is string. This 3 is integer. This 3 is string. So, integer 3 is in L. We are checking. No, there is no integer 3 in this list. So, answer is false. Here we have 3. That is actually a string operator. String 3. So, just understand membership operator. Now, one more special operator in Python. It is called identity operator. Identity operator. That is and is space not. Is and is not. That also will return you true or false values. Is not. Is not. So I have b equal to 6. So I am checking a is b. A is b. See, b equal to 6, a equal to 3. So a is b? No, absolutely no. A is not equal to b. So when you run this code, you will get output as false because a is not b. Now, if I am checking a is not b, a is not b. See, is space not is an operator, is an operator, and is space not is also an operator. A is not b. Yes, it is true because a is not b. So when you run this code, you will get true because a is not b. It is true. So remember this also. So we studied arithmetic operators like a plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponent, modulus, integer division, and we studied comparison operators like greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to. All these are comparison operators. And also we studied membership operator, in and not in and not in. And then we studied identity operator, that is and is not. All this membership operator and identity operators are special operators in Python, and it is very interesting operator. This comparison operator, membership operator, and identity operators will give you true or false values. These comparison operators, membership operators, and identity operators will give you true or false values. Always remember, it will not give you any integer value, it will not give you any other type of result. It always give you true or false values. Always remember this. And just now we discussed about a membership operator. When we study a membership operator, one thing is, which are the membership operators? In and not in are the membership operators. When we check this in and not in membership operators, this is not possible. Say example, A in B. This is not possible. A in B. It is not possible because when we use this membership operator, always the right side should be set of values. B is not a set of values. You see here, this is meaningless. 3 in 6, that is not possible. Okay. So if you are converting this B as a list of elements like this, 6.3, it's a list of elements. Now this is correct because A can be a member of B. That is possible. A can be a member of possible. I got the output true. So when you use the membership operator, that is when you use in and not in, the thing is always the right side what you are giving should be a list of values. It should be a set of values, or it should be a list of characters. So always remember, don't compare A in B if A and B are integers. It is not possible. So today we are closing our lectures. Today we discussed about important operators in Python. I hope you understood about operators. So if you have any confusion, you are free to ask questions. You can comment it, or you can mail me. And n number of Python tutorials are available in the internet world. You can refer those materials also. So subscribe YouTube channel so that you will get all videos continuously, so that you can step by step you can study Python well. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.